Alright, so here's an unboxing video of a FCI pull station that I have not seen on YouTube before, so we're gonna go ahead and just get started and unbox this. So these pull stations are on eBay right now, and I just wanted to see what these really look like. I'm terrible at opening boxes, apparently. Oh well. Alright. So as you can see, we have a FCI MS-2L pull station, brand new in box. If we go ahead, open this up, there we go, brand new in box, FCI MS-2L. Pull this out for the first time. You can see it's a key operated version. You actually need a key for this. Put that right here. In the box we get this, which appears to be the keys, Cat 30 key, and then you get your FCI key. Also you get your mounting screws and a brake rod, which is in here, which fell out. So I'm going to be putting all that back. And lastly, you get your instructions, manual test station, and it shows the wiring diagram. Set that off to the side as well. So, what's unique about this pull station is that obviously it has the two keys. If I go ahead and pull up my FCI MS-2, I can go bring that right now. Alright, so comparing it to an FCI MS-2, you can see it has a standard lift and pull. So if I were to take an FCI key and pull this, pulls like a normal pull station. You get your FCI key, open it up, flip the switch down, as you can see FCI Model 2, lock it in place, and it's reset. Although this pull station key doesn't take an FCI key, it will not fit. It only goes in this slot. So how would you know how to pull it? Well, in this case you get your Cat 30 key, you put it in this one, unlock it, pull it. That's what's unique about this pull station. And once it's pulled, as you can see, has the lock mechanism. You can go ahead and reset this by just doing that and pull down the switch. After that, you can see model number FCI model MS-2L. Pretty unique pull station. You can keep this open if you would like, actually, to not use a key. But these are more just used to prevent tampering, or in this case, used in incarceration facilities or jails. So someone won't pull it without a key. So yeah, that's what FCI MS-2L looks like. Pretty unique pull station if you ask me. I'll go ahead and make a testing video later on. Have a great day.